Hey viewers, I am Qasim Gulzar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am gonna tell you how to recover forgotten password of your Facebook account. So first of all, you need to open Facebook application. Here we go. Now I will click on my account. Here it is. Now I will type random password. Here we go. Now I will click login. Okay, here we go. He is asking the password you entered is incorrect. Please try again. Then I will click OK. Here we go. Now I will click forgot password. Here we go. Now he is asking to enter phone number. So I will enter my phone number. Okay. After entering my phone number, I will click search. Here it is. Now he is giving us two options, confirm via SMS or confirm via email. So I will click confirm via email because I don't have this SIM in my mobile. Here it is. Now I will click continue. Here it is. Now he is asking us to enter the code which they sent to our Gmail. So I will go to my Gmail. Here we go. Now I will enter the code which Facebook sent on my Gmail. Okay. After entering the code, I will click continue. Here it is. Now he is asking you can log out of your account from everywhere it might be open. Now here are two options. Keep me logged in, let me out of other devices. So I will click let me out of other devices. Here we go. Now I will click continue. Here it is. Now he is asking us to create a new password. So I will enter a new password. Okay. After entering my password, I will click continue. Okay. Now he is asking to remember your password. So I will click OK. Okay. Here we go. I successfully recovered my password.